Okay, I'm gonna cook this risotto, mushroom risotto, to go with my beef ribs. I got the water, calls for 2 2/3 cup. And pour that in. Cook it for about 14 minutes, it said. I didn't notice it on the package, but it says it's Italian. And to add Parmesan cheese after it cooks, but we all know I don't have any of that. Well, maybe I might have a little packet from a pizza place. We'll see. Alright, let that cook for a while. It overflowed. Oh, look at that mess. It's like, oh, nasty. Yeah, I didn't turn it down after I lit the stove. Gotta clean up after I eat. Alright, this is dinner. Look how well this meat is just falling apart. And the risotto. It's hot. The risotto is hot. Just finished a video. It's time to upload. Well, I'm glad I went fishing when I did, because it's raining now. Close my door because it's getting wet. Oh, are you laying on your toy? You sweet girl. Good morning. It's travel day. Yay. Let me plug in my phone. Yeah, I might get into some rain today. The lake. Oh, let me show you the lake before. Well, I need to wipe the windows because it rained. I'll show you the lake. Not focusing because of the windshield wipers. Maybe I need a little cleaning fluid. Oh, it'd be a nice day to fish, but I gotta get on the road. Gotta go to Walmart, get Sammy some food. That's every like 3 or 4 days. Oh, I want to dump before I leave. Took a shower this morning, did dishes. So I want to dump my tanks. That's where I'm going to this time. Doesn't have a dump station. They have trash and a water spigot, but no dump. And I don't know how long I'm staying there, so I will determine that today or tomorrow or the next day. So, gonna dump and then we'll get on the road. Well, there are 2 new geocaches in this park, but between the fishing and the rain, I didn't go get them. So, I'll save it for next time. Yeah, I'll save it. We'll do that next time. I'm trying to, I think, beat some rain on the road this morning too, so wanted to leave pretty early, get through Walmart, and then get on the road. Didn't have any fish to keep. I don't think I told you the second couple that was there. Maybe I did. I can't even remember what I've told you, what I haven't told you. First guy, older guy, he had 3 on the stringer and he threw those back. Second guy, Um, it was a husband and wife, older. They are locals. They live close. They just come for the day to fish. They had 2 in a fish basket. And he asked me if I wanted them. I was like, no. And he threw them back. And I wasn't in the mood. I wasn't in the mood to cook fish, fry any fish, because I had those ribs in the crock pot. So if I wouldn't have had food already prepared, then I might have taken that one crappie. It was pretty good size. He said it was about 13 inches. I think the minimum is 10, if I'm not mistaken. If I was going to catch and keep, I would have looked it up on the internet or taken. I don't think I have a Texas book anymore. It might have been old, but I have my New Mexico one. Yeah. So I am headed to another lake. And but I don't have my Texas. It's not a Texas State Park. It's a Corps of Engineers park. So if I want to fish there, I'm going to either have to go to the state park or get my fishing license. And I might get my fishing license. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. What's going on? Alright, gotta stop at this gate to get out. When you're traveling or you're bored, or do y'all ever just ask Google random questions? Yeah, I do. I just ask, I don't know. Well, today, example, I asked Google, and I'm asking Google where's the cheapest place to live in New Mexico, Texas, and Arizona. And it's getting its information from Houseo? I don't know what that is. But anyway, so for New Mexico, it said Portales. And their living expenses are like 30-something% cheaper than the national average. Of course, I don't know if this is true or not, so don't take my word for it, but I just thought it was interesting. Texas, I don't believe this at all. The cheapest place to live in Texas, it said, was Amarillo. And I'm like, no, I just have to. And the one thing that they quoted for its statistics was that their public transportation is cheaper. I'm like, who cares? I don't need public transportation. And the cheapest place to live in Arizona is Douglas. And it quoted that housing in Douglas is like 40% cheaper than the national average. So there's your trivia for today. I wonder what else I'll ask it. I get tired of, I don't listen to the radio that much. I've been listening to my book on the audio book. But then I get tired of concentrating on that, so then I turn it off, and then I just think of random things to ask. So, anyway, got about another hour to go, Sammy. You okay? You doing okay? She says, no, not really. this is my campsite. Right on the water. And I moved over to the left. So I'm gonna have company for one night so they can park right beside me. So y'all will see who that is in an upcoming video. All right, let's walk down here. See how easy it is to get to the water. Pretty easy. Yep, I might have to get my fishing license and come down here and sit and fish. You want to run in the grass? Is that what you want to do? She's like, yeah, I don't see this very often. She says, I don't see this very often. Yeah, this is a little ravine in between. If you see that car over there, it's the other campsite. So, kind of far apart. Yeah, nice site. Did I mention it's free? Yeah, it's Corps of Engineers campground. So, it's gonna be nice. There is a burn ban, so we can't have a campfire, so. That part's sad. That's all right. Okay, take two. This is our new campsite. Yeah, there was some, I don't know if it was a guy or a girl, but she was not a happy camper. And every other word came out of her mouth wasn't very nice, and it was freaking me out. She was a little angry, hostile. I don't know. Yeah, I was like, I'm leaving. I can't stay here. She was messing with my peace, that's for sure. So, this is our new... Sammy, come here. Let's walk down to the water. That's my new campsite. Come on, let's walk down to the water. Let's walk down here. Oh man, this will be perfect catfishing area. Right here, I can just leave my pole with some bait and leave it. Oh, don't fall down. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my fishing license. I am. So I can fish here. I know I'm gonna be here 2 days, so maybe here longer. All right, there we are. Oh, come on, Sam. She says, all these smells, I don't want to go. I don't want to go up there. Guess that's frogs. All right, I'm gonna get my chair out. So I'm gonna tell you a story, another story about that lady. It is a lady down there. And we're like 6, 7 campsites away. Hi, Sam. She says, we're gonna go outside. Well, I don't know, because she freaked me out again. Let me show you where my chairs are. All right, here's the camper. I'm sitting on the steps of the camper. There's my chairs. I left my Coke there in that cup holder. And I thought, oh, I need to go get my Coke. I come around the corner and she's standing right by that chair, that red chair. I'm like, whoa. I go, hello. And she just looked at me. She's got a hoodie on and it's not that chilly. And then she walked over there to the table. And I had my door open. And I had it tied back. So the only way I can untie it is actually go outside and untie it. So she just looked at me. She didn't say anything. She walked over there to the picnic table and sat down as I'm trying to undo the door. I was like, I'm freaking out. And so I just got my Coke and closed the door and locked it. And then she got up and headed back down to her camp, which is, I don't know if you can see. I know you can't see it from here. Do you see the vault toilet down there? She's like 2 campsites on the other side of that vault toilet. So, I don't know, but you don't go into somebody's camp. I mean, look how close. I was like freaking out. Anyway, I thought about moving to another campsite on the other part of the lake, but I'm not going to. My friend will be here tomorrow, and it'll be all good. And then I got a couple of guys that moved in over here next to me, and they're fishing, so it's all good. But sometimes, yeah, you just have the weird encounters. So, anyway, all right. Are we done with today's video? Are we done with today's video? We are? She says, well, I guess. All right, you look sleepy. She's wagging her tail. You want a treat? She says, I do. All right, let's get you a treat.